the vlogs. Make sure you like and subscribe. What is up, YouTube? In today's video, we're in another spot of town. We're in, I think, Bessemer, Alabama in this video for the Alabama Adventure Part 2 video. It's coming soon, so stay tuned, you guys, and be on the lookout. Make sure you like this video. But yeah, in this video, I want you to give you like a briefing on what goes on in this video. A briefing on what goes on in this video, you guys, so you guys wouldn't be all over the place. So basically, first, my Aunt Catherine came to visit the weekend of, well, she came, I think Wednesday, I can't remember, but she came. You've seen her in previous videos. If you have not already, she's in my Florida vacay video series from, I have 2 Florida vacay video series, so if you haven't seen those series already, I suggest you go look at those because she's in those. Because we went to visit her house. You guys seen her in those videos, but she's finally came down to visit us, you guys. So that's what you're going to see in this video at the beginning. And then after she leaves, we go to Alabama Adventure. But in this video, you won't see the Alabama Adventure trip. You'll see where we stayed at and a couple of stores we went shopping at before we went to Alabama Adventure. So stay tuned for the Alabama Adventure Splash Adventure Part 2 video, you guys. It will be in the next video after this video gets uploaded and posted, you guys. Like I said, like this video, share this video on all social media platforms, however you see fit. Comment down below what was the best part of this video. And also comment down below if you're going to Alabama Adventure. And subscribe to my channel for more quality content and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post so you won't miss out. And also, we stayed in the Airbnb, so you know we love staying in Airbnbs. We found the cheapest deal, so you're gonna see the Airbnb, a whole Airbnb tour. So stay tuned in this video. I just didn't want to give y'all a video and not let y'all know what was going on. So now, let's get into the video.
Meanwhile,
They don't eat my food. Tell us that, boy. It's smoking up in here. Kalila pull her shoe, y'all. Okay, I see everybody. Let her come in there. Oh my God. Trying to be coming, I can't. I want to get
Okay, Chavon got the bandana on today.
Jerry got the
bandana red.
something else. Yeah. Okay, this is Lisa. Can I pay for a water one chip? It's a woman man. She said, I got you for a water.
Look at
I just did one chip. I'm going to put your pan.
one eternity later.
So you guys, we're here. Oh, look at the sink, Mom.
Yeah, well, you know.
This the farmhouse sink. At the Airbnb, Trevon over here, he's overhyped.
What a pantry at?
This what it does when you first walk in. You walk into the kitchen, and just he's spraying down stuff with some disinfectant spray. Mama, I hope she's wiping down the fridge when she's putting stuff in the fridge. As we come from the kitchen, we have this area right here. This is a bathroom / wash and dry combo. The sink. This is my first time going in it, guys. Oh, the light fixture is nice. Got a little toilet over here. It's a big bathroom. Shower. Oh, does this light come on? Let's see. Okay. I know it's 2 lights up in here. Hey, we got Brianna over here. I don't know what she's doing with her phone, but hey. Khalil's here. This is Khalil's room right here. She got this. Clear, this your room? What you mean, no? Oh. You got this little dining area over here. Ain't no lights up in here. Oh. Because that's the ottoman. Khalil in here watching her favorite show on Earth. Tell this is your favorite show? She said, yeah. You gotta heard that. But yeah. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, we got a foosball table. We got a foosball table. I have 2 of these since the Florida trip. If you guys haven't already, check out my Florida vacay series. It is a must-see. A must. Got another room right here. I don't know why they love to keep the ceiling fan on, but never the light. This is Bree. Ooh, they got a wireless charging pad. They left here. It's a wireless charging pad. Good. As you come out, you got a futon here. Well, a couch that turns to a bed. That's what a futon is. We're sitting there right here. Then sings my soul. Oh, that's the Calvary Without having. We got a Wi-Fi pad too, but it's not put up to nothing. There's another room. There's an antique dresser set. This TV. This closet. I don't know what is it. I don't know why he bring this separate bed out. I forgot it's called a rollaway bed or something like that. Got another one. I like the color schemes in here. The white with the black industrial and then the marble floor. Something nice, something nice. Oh, just got a walk-in shower. Doing my shower downstairs at the regular house. Oh, got the push button toilet. I didn't see one of those yet. Okay, I thought you was going in your room. Okay, there's another room. We got a couch in here. I bet. Another TV. A window. Closet over there. Oh, Lord. That's cute. Did I get everything? I think I did. Who running water?
2 hours later.
So we're at 6-inch pizza.
Shut up, dude.
Watch yourself.
Shut.
Watch yourself,
Shut.
please. This is the best thing to get this pizza. Dessert pizza. I don't know what it's called. We got Andy with us today. Mom over there, she eating like she ain't never ate before. Siobhan, he has about on his 6th plate.
So what's that cheese hanging out in his mouth?
Angie had a salad, a beef salad, cinnamon roll, macaroni and cheese pizza. And did you get some of the dessert pizza? Damn. Did you get some of that dessert pizza? Did you get some of the dessert pizza? You did? You want with apples in it? Clear, we're gonna fix your pizza, Clear. It's 7 o'clock already. How you guys doing today? Comment down below how you feeling, what you guys get today. And subscribe to my channel for all content. Click that notification bell to be notified when I post. With my help.
No, it was too easy.
Okay, you know Angie, she don't know how to play claw.
Which one you gonna go?
I'm gonna get one close to the door.
Right here.
No, all the way before.
Right here.
Get one.
Over here.
You see the one down there? Like next to, like, yeah, like right there. I'm gonna let you the car.
I didn't go down.
Oh, you press the button.
Oh, you see? Angie.
Can't do it for one time.
I want the unicorn.
Brianna, she won that pig for me because of me.
No,
I showed her how to.
They told me not to go for it.
Let's see what all the other games they got. Look at this one. Hey. That gold one would be the best one to get.
Right here. You
That's
top go right now.
Let me tell you.
Your top go right now. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna have to go down now. How do you go down?
Press the button.
Make sure it stops swaying first.
Push this button.
Yeah.
The armor didn't make it. Okay. I guess we're in the supermarket Asian store. I forgot what it's called, but I'll leave it somewhere in this area. But yeah, it's nice to come in different environments and feel like you are in another part of the world. Like, feel like you're in Korea, Japan. You have to see people that you don't really see around in your area. But we don't never see
I got to poke you guys.
Japanese or Chinese people in our area. Well, I would like to see, but we don't have it in our area. But look, they're not to the
I
store.
want to try to poke you and I found this one.
We down New Dye. I tried to get my Aunt Angela to come in here and look just to be in another environment and see how she liked it. But look at crab soup noodles. Look at crab soup noodles. Look at crab soup. You gonna try the crab soup? Eat your bone.
This one is like you work.
I remember these. Oh, these are good. I think how do we put it on those? But those are good. They got stewed beef, spicy flavor noodles. You try those?
Oh no. This is a big thing I'm supposed to
Trey, what's the noodles that you love to eat? The white noodles. The clear noodles.
black. Oh, this is a rice plate.
They got curry lo mein. What? Have you guys tried these? Comment down below. Chili crab. Huh.
Oh, this is rice cake. They're not supposed to.
Look at.
Yeah, it's your one.
I don't see all that.
To go feed is everything in there like
What's they got? Here you go, Trey. They got your rice sticks. What the fuck they put in them egg rolls? I think it's rice sauce. Pick up here in noodles. They had these on Dollar Tree. $1.79 in here. Yeah. They got your stir blue tray at Dollar Tree, but they got them in here. Korean spicy noodles. $3.29. Inflation. What are rice sticks for? You know that I was going. What they got? Mexican food? They got Indian food? They got some of everything. I'm going to Mexican. Fufu flour. They got fufu flour. That's a Mexican dish. Probably got that in Mexican now. Is it Mexican? How much was it? $6.99. It said right there. That's like a pork skin. They got their drink. Yeah, fresh vegetables, kimchi. Ooh, that's the thing that I post off of busted that episode. They call it mushroom bun. I know that's what it was called. What? See the other thing, the red bean paste bun. What? How much they taste? I try these. Come down below. $1.29 for $80.
Eventually.
Okay, you guys, we're going to Dollar Tree. Where we at, man? We in Homewood, Illinois? I mean, Homewood, Alabama? And we're going to Dollar Tree. You got a whole bunch of supermarkets. A whole bunch of supermarkets. Trey. We're going into Dollar Tree. It's now almost 8 o'clock. Me Pablo Supermarket. Mom going to check that out, too. This is Chronicles of Deal with the Bloods.
We coming on this side.
And y'all coming in or what?
Almost there.
Oh yeah, Kalila. Shoot. Mom said he had a pack of pork chops in you guys. $1. Let me try that Magnum ice cream.
ground beef, Dave. Y'all can find something to do. $5.
Dropping on $5. You can get a big thing for that. You got taquitos.
They got some salmon. Yeah, that's a good
That's the brand you buy.
That's a good buy for the salmon.
Ain't that the brand you buy?
Honey breast chicken tender. I'm gonna get this in my love, but y'all got in the mall. Ain't the world y'all. It's pretty cheap.
That's cheap. Cause if you go to Dollar General, they about $9.
$4 for that piece. That's cheap. How about the onion rings too, huh?
This one time $3. Where we at?
They got earrings. Take cash out. That's a. We had that restaurant in Illinois.
It used to be $2.50.
Bro, they got the Cornet bars, Mom. 6 in that.
$4. For the $1.25.
Breakfast roll.
I go back out to G-Roll.
Yeah, Airways pie. Airways pie, Mom. Call me a bit of Airways pie.
They got some chicken there.
You got the waffle one. I ain't seen the waffle one in so long. Keep it in.
I can get my brother.
They got snack rolls, taco bite. That sounds good. Southern, Southwestern style meat and cheese film at Golden Corral. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna let y'all see what it tastes like when I try it. We got Trey here. I don't know what he's doing. Huh? Mom, what's this?
I want you to all the way.
Y'all try to use your mom.
I'm trying to find a good my chicken too.
They got a Jim Beam bourbon vanilla coffee. 4 ounces. Vanilla and cream delay. Cocoa pebbles. Fruity pebbles. Oatmeal. 6 packs. I don't want to get the top right of this food. What else we got? What else we got?
A few moments later.
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? I'm Devo. I decided to come on here with a couple items I found in Dollar Tree recently. If you have found these items, comment down below. And if you've tried them out, also comment down below how they work. Are they a good thing to buy? Should you buy them in bulks? And all things of that nature. First thing first, we have this all-purpose peppermint and sage all-purpose cleaner with plant-derived ingredients. This is, I said peppermint and sage. It smells pretty good. This is the all-purpose cleaner. Next thing I got by the same brand, Dishes peppermint and sage dish soap with plant-derived ingredients also as well. And they're both 16 fluid ounces. They come in this little black, sleek, industrial bottles. Something nice to add on your kitchen counter, around your dish area, make it think like you got some bougie or something like that sorts. Next thing found Dollar Tree is this Starbucks vanilla latte, smooth and creamy iced espresso beverage. It's a 14 fluid ounce. Have you guys tried this? Comment down below. Have you seen this in Dollar Tree? Ooh. Have you seen this in Dollar Tree? Also comment down below. Going to Dollar Tree, you find a lot of things in there that you wouldn't expect to find in Dollar Tree, you guys. I'm just thankful our Dollar Tree has not came a Dollar Tree and up, $5 and up store yet. Or I hope it don't become that because some of that might not be $1 if it becomes a $5 and up store like I've seen in other Dollar Trees.